Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today, we are focusing on another diamond pattern. I will create 2 diamonds, one with 6 strands of rope and the next with 8 strands of rope, so that you can compare. Begin by tying the 2 middle pieces of rope together using a double half-hitch knot. We will now work on the right side of the diamond. Working down and to the right, tie 2 diagonal double half-hitch knots. Move on to the left side of your work. Working down and to the left, tie 2 diagonal double half-hitch knots. Tie a square knot in the middle. Continue by tying double half-hitch knots on both sides of your work to complete the diamond. You will now connect the 2 sides by tying another double half-hitch knot. To keep the diamond even, the knot that I have tied at the top is leading to the right, so the knot that I will tie at the bottom of the diamond will lead to the left. Use the same process when you create the next diamond, but keep in mind that we will be adding 1 extra strand of rope on both sides. When you tie your square knot in the middle, tie it around all 4 pieces of rope. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.